If the price of rice falls by 15%, then Rosa can buy 6 kg more rice than before for rupees 170. If the price had risen by 15%, then how much less rice could she have bought for the same sum? Okay. Now, in such kind of questions, the total expense amount remains the same, as in this case it is 170. Okay. So to get the new price per kg, we can easily solve it. 15% of the total, that is 170, and we divide it by the quantity more we can buy. So in this case it is 6. So 0 gets cancelled out. 5 3s are, 5 2s are, 3 2s are. So the new price per kg is 17 upon 4 rupees per kg. Now the new quantity you can easily find out. The new quantity is the total bill, that is 170, divided by the new price, that is 17 by 4. So 170 divided by 17, 4 goes in the numerator. So solving this, we get the new quantity as 40. Now we can easily get the old quantity. Old quantity is 6 less than the new quantity. So 40 minus 6, that is 34. Now, the final question asked is, if the price had risen by 15%, okay? Now, 170 is equal to the quantity, that is 34, into the price, okay? Now, the price is rising by 15%. So, it will become 1 plus 15 by 100 multiplied by P. Now, the expense needs to remain constant. So, therefore, this bracket needs to get cancelled out with this bracket. So, here it will be the reciprocal. So, 1 plus 15 by 100 is 115 by 100. Here it will become 100 upon 150. Okay. Now, the difference in quantity would be the original quantity is 34 minus this new quantity. Okay. So this is 3400 divided by 150. Okay. I can take 34 common, into bracket 1 minus 100 by 115. So this will become 34 into 15 divided by 150. We can reduce this to 5 3s are 5 into 23. And therefore we get here 34 3s are, that is 102 divided by 23. 102 divided by 23, 23 4s are 92. So we have 10 remainder. So 4 point, again 23 4s are, we have 92. So we have 880. 23 3s are, will be 16.9. Okay. So from the options, we can say the answer will be 4.43 kg.